Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. As you guys could tell from the title as well as the thumbnail, today I have finally received my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day 2022 mystery boxes, so I'm going to be unboxing the Deluxe as well as the Supreme with you guys today. I am so excited. I've gotten a glimpse at the exclusives and I am just completely head over heels. I cannot wait to see what we got in our boxes. But before we jump into that, I just wanted to remind you again of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day giveaway. This is going to be probably the biggest giveaway I've ever done. That giveaway winner is going to be announced on February 14th. So the closing date of the giveaway is coming super soon. So if you haven't yet, click the link and enter to win. You are not going to want to miss this one. And another note on that, I've gotten a lot of reports of fake Instagram accounts and fake YouTube accounts trying to get you guys to give banking information and personal information to them, telling you that you've won the giveaway. This is absolutely not me, and I'm so sorry that you guys are experiencing this. The only time you will ever hear from me is from my personal Instagram, which I just hit 10K on. So if you notice the follower count is 10K, that's me. I also will only ask for your address on the day of winning. I am not going to ask for any other forms of information, no banking information, so please do not give it to these people. Until you hear from me that you have won, it's not valid, guys. There's scammers out there. They want to ruin the fun for everyone, so just please be wary of that. And without any further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing. All right, we're gonna start with the Deluxe Box. So this has 9 items in it and went for $100 US. I do believe there's just one exclusive in here, so let's jump in. Right off the top, look at how absolutely cute this little clutch is. Oh my god, guys, let's take out these goodies. Look at how absolutely cute this clutch is. It comes with a handle here so you can make it into like a purse. So adorable. This is gonna go right next to the bat one. I think these exclusives are adorable. I'm actually so freaking excited about this one. Imagine storing like your velvet traps or something in here and traveling. I love. All right, let's see what else we got. The Blood Sugar Mini. I already have this, but I do not have a backup for my photography, so I am gonna open this to show you guys. Such a stunning palette. In my opinion, he got the best from Blood Sugar and put it into a mini. Such pretty packaging. I love it. I love this campaign. And then of course, a perfect, beautiful color story. Love it. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so they've been putting these in the mystery boxes, I've noticed. So we have a Lavender Magic Star. I did include this in a previous giveaway. This is an amazing powder. It really helps when you're contouring your skin. If you don't want to put too much product and you really want color to work on your side, using color correcting is amazing. I believe the lavender is for shadows. I might be wrong on that, but I do love these color correctors. Absolutely bomb.com. They smell like cotton candy and they're delicious. Let's see what else. And bam, I think this is the exclusive shade that's in both mystery boxes. It's Pink Kitten. Let's see here. It's such a pretty pink. I'm gonna swatch it here for you guys. Oh, it's like a hot pink red. It's giving me cherry wet vibes, if you know that color. It's so pretty. I am gonna use the hell out of this. I actually really like this color. The next item we have is a Supreme Frost. This is in Snow Globe, and I actually have never seen this color in person, so I'm super curious. It is unbelievably breathtaking, would be putting it lightly. Wow, so stunning. I'd like to say this is going in a giveaway, but I don't think it is. I don't have it, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think this is gonna be probably my favorite Supreme Frost. I haven't tried it yet, I will, but I love it. The next items are 4 single eyeshadows. We have the shade Suck, we have the shade Priceless, we have the shade Last Respects, and we have the shade Power. So I think these are from a bunch of different palettes. I think now we're getting tons of singles, so they're varying from where they come from. I love that the brand has singles now. I have a ton of them right now. I cannot wait to maybe put a custom palette in the giveaway for you guys. I love doing those, and you guys seem to love them. Let's see what else. This box is pretty good so far. Okay, we have the Orgy palette. This is every nude lover's dream. It's perfect. Actually, I have a bunch of duplicates of the Orgy palette right now, so I'm not gonna open this one, but I'm gonna throw the color story up here for you to see. Like I mentioned, it's literally every nude lover's dream. You can't really go wrong with this palette. You can also use it for contour, which is lovely. I love when things double up with their purposes. So good. We have a velour lip liner in the shade Mannequin. Such a staple, such a classic. I'm gonna throw up a swatch here for you to see. All right, and the absolute last item in the deluxe. Let's see what we got. No. I don't have this, guys. This is the only mini liquid lipstick bundle that I do not have. This is all of his most iconic nudes. These are so stunning to own. I'm so happy I have the nude one now. Genuinely, I don't have it. Volume 2. Okay, so I think there's a volume 1 and a volume 2. So I don't have either. Love, love, love this, guys. Ugh, the gradient on here, so delicious. All right, that was it for the deluxe box. Now we're gonna move on to the big daddy, the Supreme box. So the Supreme box went for $180 US. It's supposed to have a bunch of exclusive items in it. So let's dive right in for this one. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, the first item I'm seeing, this is the LED Star selfie light. Oh my God. I was so curious about this when I saw him tease it. So cute, guys. Look, the camera's not picking it up, but you can switch up the colors. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna use the actual crap out of this. So cute. I really like the mystery boxes this time around. I'm not sure why the mystery boxes this round were getting such shitty bad reviews online. I personally am really happy so far with the boxes. I think they're great. So what do you guys think? Like, why were these getting such negative reviews? I saw so many people were disappointed and I never understood why. All right, we have more single shadows. This time it's 5 single shadows. So we have the shade Weirdo, love. We have the shade Owl Eyes, such a stunning gold. We have the shade Winter Wind, Casper Mountain, and Star Creek. So these seem like they were from Weirdo and Star Ranch. Again, love the singles. Let's see what else. What the heck? This is so much cuter in person. The packaging, stop it right now. And my new favorite mirror. Are you kidding me? I have a tattoo of a broken heart, so I love heartbreak stuff. This is so adorable. Honestly, so luxe and high-end for a mystery box. Typically with stuff like, even with this guy here, typically like they'll put in cheaper items in mystery boxes that aren't as nice. I can honestly say these are so beautiful. I'm so happy to have them in my collection. I think that this is my new favorite mirror. I'm not even joking. There's something about the writing, so cute. The next item, I've been so excited to dig into this one. This is the Heartbreaker Skin Frost palette. This is an exclusive item, again, that's in the mystery boxes. This packaging is so cute. I love it. Oh my God. Oh, just stop. Just stop. So cute. Let's look at it inside here. Perfect. This is giving me cavity vibes. I love that he's putting more wearable stuff out now. Like, this is gonna be perfect for highlight. This a blush topper and this like a bronzer topper if you wanna go glowy one day. I love this. Genuinely, I love this. I will genuinely dip into this. So happy with these boxes so far. I was expecting to not like them because of all the reviews. I am really happy with these. We are not even close to done the Supreme box yet. Let's see what else. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know I mention this all the time, but I live in my JSC merch. This is absolutely adorable. I freaking love it. So cute. The quality of the shirt I'm super impressed with. I found with a few of the mystery boxes, the shirts were less soft, less wearable and comfy. This one is super duper soft. It feels super high quality as if you've purchased one of the actual pieces of merch. So I really love that. And let's see what else. We have a Magic Star color corrector. This is in the shade yellow. These are bomb.com. If you have super stubborn under eyes, I know this yellow is gonna work miracles for you. It's gonna just help really cover up those dark circles. I mentioned it before, but color contour is amazing. People who use it and love it know how amazing it is. And here is another one of that. Oh, it's not the same. This is Cutthroat Love. Let's open it. I'm already from like the little sticker thing. I think this is gonna be a color I'm obsessed with. And it is. It is, wow, it's beautiful. Oh my, did I just find my new favorite color? Are you kidding? Are you kidding with this? It's the perfect mauvey brown. I love it. Oh, why were people unhappy with these? I will never understand. This is so beautiful. Obsessed. I'd love to say it's going in a giveaway, but it's not. This is probably going to be my new like staple darker lip. I love it. The next item is a velour lip liner. This is the shade Allegedly, superbomb.com. I'm not going to open this because I do own it, but I will throw up a swatch here so you guys can see the color. The next item is a Supreme Gloss. I cannot get over how much I love this formula. Let's see this shade here. I actually have been wearing these lately and like blotting out my lip, and it gives you like a lip blush moment, and I really like that. It's like a wash of color on the lip. I love that it's a formula you can play with. Like if you want it to be really glossy, you can make it like that, but if you don't and you just want it to be like I mentioned, like kind of a wash of color, you can do that too. So pretty, this shade. Please forgive me. I love it. All right, we are nearing the end of the box. We have the glosses. We have the shade Control Freak, stunning color. We also have the shade Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. I am just about to finish the current Let Me Be Perfectly Clear I have, so I'm so happy that I got this one. It is an absolutely stark clear gloss. If I could get it out to show you, but it is so beautiful. I use it all the time. It lives in my bag. Just completely clear, so stunning. Let me show you the Control Freak one. This is the Control Freak shade. I love how it's just like that milky pink. One layer of this and your lips are so juiced up and beautiful. I love. The next item we have is a Velvet Trap. This is in shade Ranch Girl, another super wearable color, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna throw up a swatch here as well so you guys can see what that looks like. And the next item is a velour lip scrub. This is in shade Rainbow Sherbet, or however you say that. I've never been able to say it right. So good, so delicious and yummy. I have way too many, so it will be going in a giveaway. And the last item in the box, we have another open here for nudes. I believe, because it doesn't say volume 1 on here, I think that this is the first one. So I can now complete my collection because I have volume 1 and volume 2. I am so freaking excited. I genuinely loved these boxes. I don't know why they got such a bad rap. In my opinion, they are still available now. I would highly suggest you pause this video right now and go snag them before they're gone. These exclusives are amazing. All of the items were very, very high end. I was not disappointed at all, and I highly suggest them for you if you've been eyeing them but you're not sure if they're good or not. Guys, they're good. Go for it. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. I'm trying to figure out if we're getting varying boxes at this point. Are we getting varying boxes, or are we all getting the exact same duplicate boxes? Let me know in the comments if you got something different in yours. I am so super curious. And of course, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please don't forget to enter my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day giveaway. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be amazing. And it is coming to a close on February 14th. And before I go, if you haven't yet, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!